Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today I have a bumper shopping haul for you. These things have been building up in the shop for the last couple of weeks now, just leaving it so it's worthwhile to have it all posted to me. But it's one of my favourite shops, which is Kent Garden Rail. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. Obviously still waiting for the shop itself to open, but he'll quite happily post stuff out, so I do recommend going and checking out his range. Other than that, we'll dive in and I'll show you what I got. And there we go. That is quite a haul, so we'll start pulling that out and I'll show you all the items. So let's start pulling out what I got. First of all, we have our 3399, which is EWS Freight Train Pack, a Class 67. Now, I'd already got myself a nice Class 66 from there, but as I've been adding quite a bit of EWS rolling stock, I was looking at getting another loco, and that way I get the 3 wagons which come with these as well. And thus as well are 6885, which is 3-pack of the wagons, all HEA hopper wagons. So I've got 3 different ones of those to go with one of my rakes. And we have our 6956, which is one of the brand new container wagons. And our 6958, another one of the newly released container wagons. And then the last recent release of those are 6957, which is the one with the 3 tankers. And then the start of the ones which has been out a few weeks, which is our 4942, and that's the Cross Country Mark III sliding door TFD coach. And our 4997, which is the newest Network Rail SuperGov. So I'll have to show you that one with the original one as well, which did take me an age to find. I'll also be doing a little layout update, hopefully in the next week or so, and I'll hopefully then show off my EWS collection thus far. And then we have our 4940C, which is the Cross Country TS coach. And our 4941, which is the Cross Country TCC coach. And then there'll be more of those, but we get onto the ones which are hot off the foot from Hornby, which is our 4890, which is the ScotRail Mark III sliding door TSL coach. And our 4890, which is the TSL coach. And our 4907A, which is the TG FB coach. And our 4907, which is another TG FB coach. And then back onto the cross country, our 4939A, which is the TSD coach. And our 4940B, which is cross country TS coach. and R4937 ScotRail TS coach, and R4937A, which is the ScotRail TS coach again, and R4891A ScotRail TSD coach, and R4940A cross country TS coach, R4891 the ScotRail TSD coach, R4939 the cross country TSD coach, R4938 which is the cross country TGS, and R4940 which is cross country TS coach. Still waiting for the cross country class 43 train pack to come out before I can do anything with those, but I've got the ScotRail class 43 pack, so I hope to get those on with the coaches and show you a video of that, hopefully a bit later today. So thank you for watching, and if you don't subscribe already, I hope you do. Follow my growing collection and I'll get a chance to show off what I've already got. Thank you, and see you again soon.